Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you a 10 by 18 storage shed. This one has vinyl siding, white trim, asphalt roof, very attractive in blue. No windows on either end or in the back, just two windows in the front. Double doors in the front, open up nice and wide. Keyed lock for one of the doors. Let's take a look inside. Very useful for all the lawn tools that he has, mowers and whatnot. Plenty of room in here. He's got a loft up top. You can see vent holes on either end. Keep it from getting too hot or moist in here. Made with all real plywood and 2x4s. These are fiberglass doors, by the way. So there you go, guys. 18 by 10 storage shed.